In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give someone access to your Shopify store step by step. Whether you're adding a team member, a partner, or an external collaborator, knowing how to grant access safely and efficiently is crucial for your business operations. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll start off by navigating to your Shopify store's admin panel. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, look for the option labeled My Store. This is typically located on the main homepage of your Shopify dashboard. Clicking this link will take you to a more detailed overview of your store's settings. With that done, let's move on to the next step, which involves accessing the user management section. On this page, you should see a tab or button labeled Users. Clicking on this allows you to view your current store members and begin managing their permissions. Next, direct your attention to the settings related to roles. Roles in Shopify are essentially a way to define what each user can see and do within your store. This is critical for maintaining security and ensuring that every team member only has access to the information and tools necessary for their specific tasks. You'll want to find and select the Roles option within the User Management section. Once you're there, you might see a list of predefined roles. If your collaborator needs custom permissions, you might consider creating a new role which can be tailored specifically to what's needed. Alternatively, you can choose an existing role that closely matches what you want for this new user. To proceed, click on the chosen role and you'll have the option to manage what permissions are included. With that sorted out, let's return to the Users tab. Here you will want to add a new user by inputting the new member's email address. Once you enter the email, select the role you've just reviewed or created. This ensures the new user will have the correct level of access dictated by that role. Double-check that everything is correct, and then send the invite. After the invite has been sent, your collaborator will receive an email with instructions to access your Shopify store. They just need to accept the invitation and set up their account using the steps provided in that email. Once completed, they'll have the correct level of access to your store based on the role you assigned them. Remember, granting access should always be handled with care. Regularly review user roles and permissions to maintain security and operational efficiency. It's important to periodically audit who has access and make adjustments as necessary to protect your business data. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently add a new user to your Shopify store. Always keep good user management practices in mind, and don't hesitate to make adjustments as your business needs evolve. Thanks for watching and happy selling.